What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. Today we're gonna create this awesome bracelet using the black Paracord 550 and the gold Paracord. The total length of the Paracord used in today's project is down below this video in the video description. The design of today's bracelet is done by my friend Arlind over the My Paracord Designer on the Instagram, so go ahead and check Arlind on his Instagram page. He has some awesome Paracord project there as well. The full tutorial for this awesome bracelet I'm wearing today and the previous bracelet we made you have in the top right corner of this video in the information cards, as many other useful video there as well. So that being said, let's start. As you can see here, we joined the black and the gold together here, and now we're gonna make it from the top into the gap. From the top into the gap. We're gonna make it from the top into the buckle, and now we're gonna take a bit more of the one end, so the black one will be with the loop, and then we're gonna pull those two cords through the loop there from the top, like so. And now we're gonna pull it to make it tight, secure it. As you can see here, I'm gonna zoom a bit, and we're gonna proceed on the top end of our bracelet, so here. And now we're gonna insert the gold cord from the top and to the side, and also the black one from the top and to the side. Now we're gonna quickly secure these ends. We're gonna do that just by making this end on top of the bracelet core strand, then around it, and now from the back side through the gap between those two cords, and pull it. So we are done. We're gonna do the same on this end, so simply as that, to the side, around, and through the gap. And now we can proceed with our weaves. So we're gonna take this end and we're gonna make it around on top of this and on top of those two, like so, and around of the core strands from the back through the loop and pull. The same on the left side with the black one, so pinch it like this, make it on top, then around on top of those two core strands, around, and from the back side through the loop on the left. So here we are. As you can see, we reach almost the end of today's project. Now we're gonna finish it. I'm gonna take this end of a gold paracord and make it on top of the bracelet core. With the black one we're gonna go under and then around, and from the back side through the loop on the right side. Pull it to make it tight, and now we're gonna cut it off approximately here, and we're gonna pull a bit these inner cords, and we're gonna cut them more, but just the white cords, inner cords. As you can see, it's all black. Now we're gonna remove it from the jig and cut the other end. So as you can see, very fast, very easy, yet very beautiful paracord bracelet. We're finished, and I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and of course, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. So that being said, until the next time, wishing you just best. Stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye.